Hello everyone, today we are going to start IMO Mathematics Olympiad for class 2 year 2020 set A. Let's get started. So first we have logical reasoning section in which question 1 is which of the following figure is exactly same as the given figure, and this is the given figure and these are the four options and we can see option B is the same. Next, question 2, if doctor is related to stethoscope in some way, then in same way cobbler is related to what? So these are the given four options, and as we can see in the given figure also there is one shape is there, and this is the tool of cobbler that is known as shoemaker's tripod. So this is the option B which is correct. Next we have which of the following figures will complete the given figure pattern. So just see the pattern, like we have first then deer, cat, goat, dog. Then see the pattern again. So four are given. Then first one is missing. So this is the right option. So question 4, which of the following letter is not present in the given figure? So this is the given figure and find out the letter. So first O, this is the outer circle. So it is given L. So you can see here, this is the L. Then D, so this structure is also embedded in the given figure. Then T, so T is not present, so D is the right answer. Cap blank is third from the left end. So this is left end and we have to find the third from the left. So 1, 2 and third. So Q is the right answer. Okay, next question is 6. 3 groups of blank strawberries each can be formed from the given strawberries. So first let's count the number of strawberries given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total numbers are 18 and 3 groups. So it can be divided by 3. So 6 strawberries. So answer B is the correct option. Question 7. If sun is called moon and moon is called earth and earth is called star, okay, then where does man live? And as we know, man lives on earth, but here earth is called as star. So option C is correct. Next question 8. Which of the following option will complete the given figure pattern? So just see the figure pattern like this. All structure are like this. Okay, then this, and blue color should be here and red color should be here as in the structure first. So it is correct answer. Question 9. Arrange the given hockey sticks from largest to the smallest. Okay, so these are the 3 hockeys given and this is the length given in form of boxes. So first let's count the number of boxes. Their length is equal to, this is equal to 3 boxes and y is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes and z is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So largest is y, then z and x. So our answer C. Okay. Next, question 10. There are blank slanting lines in the given figure. So just count the slanting lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So option A. Next we have mathematical reasoning section and question number 11. Which bear shows the largest values? So these are the 4 bears given and there is a value. So let's convert in numeric numbers. 18 tens, 15 tens, 541. So as you can see, this value is the highest. So R, C is the right option. Which of the following options represent the given number of parrots? Okay. So first let us count the given number of parrots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 parrots. Now first value is 1 tenth less than 20 tenths. So means 20 tenths minus 1 tenth. So it is 10. Second one is 1 once more than 2 tenths. So 2 tenths plus 1, so it is 21. Then 1 ones less than 2 tens, so 2 tens minus 1, so it is 19. So option C is correct. 13th question, the given table shows the number of different types of trees in a garden. Find the total number of trees in the garden. So these are the trees and these are the numbers. So just calculate, add these values. So we will get 2 and 4 and 4. So 442, that is the option B. Count the amount of money Raghu has. So this is the given amount of money. Just count it, 100. And this is coin of 2 and 2 and 1, so 5, so 105. Question 15. Study the given picture carefully. The height of Karthik and Puneet together is blank more than the height of Kirti. So this and these are the kids names are given, and at this axis, y axis, so we have the arrow sign which is equal to 1 unit, and we have to find out the height of Karthik, means this, and Puneet together. So Karthik height is equal to 4 unit and Puneet height is equal to 3 units. So total they together height is 7 unit, and for Kirti it is 5 unit. Okay, so 7 minus 5, 2 unit higher. So their combined height is 2 units higher as compared to Kirti. Question 16. What is the correct order from shortest to the longest? Okay, so shortest, we can see here spoon is shortest. So spoon is given in these two options. Then fork, then we have paintbrush, and then pencil. Okay, so pencil is the longest, so option C is correct. Question 17. Which of the following looks like a cube? And yes, option D, it looks like a cube. The total quantity of water in the given beaker is, okay, these are the 4 beakers and their quantity is given. Simply add all these values, like 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12. So option C is correct. Direction 19 to 20 question. So the given pictograph shows the number of food packets distributed by an NGO to the needy person. Study it carefully and answer the following questions. So we have these days and number of packets given. First question is total number of packets distributed on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So let's count these numbers. So we have 3, 3, 6 and 7. Then 3 and 3 6. And then it is 4. So each this structure is equal to 50 packets. Okay. So for first 19 question, add these values like 7 plus 6 13 plus 4 17 and multiply it with 50. So we will get 0 5 7 ja 35 and 5 1 5 plus 3 8. So 850. So option A. 20 question, on blank the maximum number of food packets were distributed. So as you can see here the number is maximum. So Friday. So option D is the correct answer. Next we have everyday mathematics section, and in which question 21 is a shopkeeper had 105 bulbs. Some of the bulbs were damaged and 70 good bulbs were left with him. So how many bulbs were damaged? Okay, so the total given number of bulbs are 105 and damaged, we have to find the damage number, and 70s are good, so just subtract the given value. So it is 5 and 3, so 35 is the right answer, option B. Question 22. There were 180 passengers in a train. On a station 50 persons deboarded and 70 boarded the train. How many passengers are there in the train now? Okay, so total there are 180, 50 deboarded, okay, 50 उधर जाते हैं and 70 boarded. It means in total only 20 extra persons comes in the or boarded the train. So we just add the 20. So we'll get 200. Okay. So option D. Question 23. Kiran is 44 kg heavier. Her brother is 2 kg lighter than Kiran. find the total weight of Kiran and her brother. Okay, so first weight of Kiran is 44 and her brother is 2 kg lighter, means we have to subtract 2 from the 44, so it will be 42, and then find the total weight of them. So 6 and 8, so 86. Option B is correct. Question 24. If the capacity of a jug is 2 liter, then how many jugs are required to fill the given barrel? So this required 18 liter to fill, and we have a jug of capacity 2 liter. So if we divide it by 2, or simply for kids we write in this way, so we'll get 9. Okay, so 9 jugs are required to fill the given barrel. Next question 25. Priyanka asks Savita to tell the number on the given abacus. Which of the following could be the correct answer? So okay, first 1 and 2, write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and here 0. So 240, option D. Question 26. In a market, Kavya spent rupees 180 on buying fruits and rupees 310 on buying vegetables and rupees 170 on grocery items. So how much amount did she spend in all? So it is, in all means we have to add all these given values. So 180, then we have 310 and 170. So add these values. 8 plus 1 9 plus 7 16 and 1 carry, so 3 and 2 5 and 1 6, so it is option B. 27. Varun saw the given painting in a shop. How many triangles did Varun see? So count the number of triangles given in the shape. Start from here, 1. Okay, then this one given is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so option B is correct answer. Question 28. Sahil saw 2 towers on a ground. Find the difference between the heights of the towers. Okay, then tower A height is given, tower B. Okay, 2 heights are given, so 195, and we find the difference, so it means subtract the values, so it is 35. C option. Question 29. A school has 980 students. If 480 of them are boys, then how many girls are there in the school? So this is the question of subtraction. So total students are 980. 480s are the boys, then remaining are the girls. So subtract the value. It means 500 are the girls in the school. Question 30. The number of seats in an auditorium is 715. Write the number name for the number of seats in the auditorium. Okay, 715. So it is option B. Next we have achievers section. So question 31. Match the shapes in the column 2 which is drawn using the objects given in column 1. Okay. So first this can, it is given, then this rectangle shape, and then this is the cuboid square. So A is 2 here and here, and B is 3 here only, so option B is correct, and C is 1 obviously. Next question 32. 4 children hold the number chart. Okay, arrange the children in descending order according to their number. Descending means start from the highest one, and highest one is P, so start from P. So P starts here and here. After P, Q, so it is only in this Q, then S, then R, so option C is correct. 33 question. Identify the 3-digit number. So its tens place digit is 5 more than its ones digits. So its tens place is 5 more than ones. So here is difference 6, here is difference 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 8 minus, okay, it is minus 1. So this is the correct, 7 minus 2. Next statement is its 100 place. Its 100 place 8 is the largest 1-digit even number. Okay, that is 8. So it is correct. So its 1 digit is 2. 1 digit is 2. So option C is correct. 34 question. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following questions. Find the distance traveled by Aman if he traveled from. So first he traveled from home to school. So this is home, then school. Okay, so the given arrow sign is here. So home to park, then school. So 5 plus 3. So this distance is 8. Then park to market. So this is park and it goes in this direction 3, 2 and market 6 kilometers. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. So this is 11. So 8 and 11. Option D is correct. Last question 35. Study the given figure carefully. Okay. So the weight of 3 bags is, we have to find the weight of 3 bags. So first 2 bags weight is equal to 2 balls and 1 ball weight is equal to the given number of this cuboid shape. So then count the number of these cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 ball's weight is equal to 10. Then 2 ball weight is equal to 20 and 3 ball weight is equal to 30 and 2 bag equal to 2 balls, so it means 3 bag equal to 3, so it means it will be 30. Option A is correct answer. So it was all about today's IMO set for class 2 and we have discussed it in detail. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. All the very best for your coming exam. Thank you.